4th of July. Soon. What? I wonder what happened. What? What? It's loud. Woo! It makes tiny fireworks. That wasn't that big. What the July? Oh my goodness, what's happening? It smells like smoke. It's like a shooting star. There's so much smoke up there. That was tiny.
David.
Okay, I need to get my ice cream, okay? We'll get back. Mama?
¿Ya sabes qué quiere? ¿Cuál?
Can I get the
Escoge una.
chocolate? There's so much, boys! Hi, Connie. Pakora. Soup! Sus mangga. Ohio. Wow. Wow. Yes. Wow. Like an alien. Like, okay.
Two pumpkin cakes, one strawberry, one horchata. You got this stuff for you?
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Can I get a funnel cake and strawberry? Can I get my hands on it. Ah. It's so bright. So save our gas. Wow.
80. Number 80.
Number 80. Number 80.
infinity and beyond. Sucks. Buzz Lightyear.
I got 80. Yes. I'll trade you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Can I get another 4? Alright.
Blah.
You said 83 or 82?
Hey, espérate, mija.
Very much.
Sheesh.
Got it, dude.
Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. There's so much smoke, I could smell it. 85.
85?
Yeah, thank you.
Huh? It does. Oh, that's for us. Yes. Yes. That was tiny. Woo! Biggo. Sue, biggo.
Where's yours?
Sue, biggo.
No, yo quería era acá.
Not really big. I think it's bigger.
Bueno, eso está bien.
Sometimes the fireworks are acting sus.
Está bien. Está bien. Oh,
¿Quieres de aquí?
no.
¿No quieres?
Matcha man.
Tienes mucho.
That must be $1,000 in fireworks by now, since it's 7 minutes and 56 seconds into the video. That's a lot. It's kind of like guns. Yeah.
Here, Aiden.
Yum 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 yum. Ice cream. Oh, it's so good. Sweet dreams are made of Let's check on this side.
Take a bite, sweetie.
There's not that much on that side. It's this side. Ah.
Oh, yeah.
If you made this far into the video, you deserve a tiny cookie, okay? For your reward.
How long does it last? ¿Están
Hey,
ricos?
isn't that your song?
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that your song?
That's Aiden's song.
Why is it?
I should go show them your video the way they put it up.
Huh?
So everybody got a dance out.
Sushi burger. Sushi. Ew. Wow. to be a catastrophe except for you.
Right. Right. Next bite. I'll give you this one. You eat that one.
Hey, what's that? Ah, the smell of Bikini Bottom. My hands are getting tired. 3 minutes and 23 seconds into the video. I think he deserves some ice cream, like what I made it. See? I should probably show you what else is going around. Okay, back to fireworks.
Hey, you see the drone out there?
Huh?
Drone out there?
Where's the drone?
Hey, over there.
My dad's saying that there's a drone. Do you believe him? Like, comment down below. Or just say it in your mind. Woo! That was big. someone now. Okay, you made it 18 minutes and 11 seconds into the video. I think you deserve a watermelon. Yes, you could slice a watermelon so that so when you get back home, or if you're already at home, slice a watermelon and put melon emojis and nitro emojis so that you could absolutely delete melon. So that's like, I don't know. Sunny also talks about like, actually you should get one.